Certified GeoExchange Designer, CGD Training, a cooperative effort between the International Ground Source Heat Pump Association and the Geothermal Heat Pump Consortium. The course has a distance learning course option. You get a CGD notebook, installer's guides plus other manuals, and lectures on CD. The Certified GeoExchange Designer course is designed for professional engineers, registered architects, installers, contractors who wish to earn certification. Eligibility requirements: each candidate for certification must meet one of the following 4 sets of criteria. Be an engineering graduate and/or professional engineer or registered architect, or have a 4-year non-technical degree, or have 2-year technical degree, or have 10 years or more verified combined experience. Certification is accomplished by application to AEE. To become certified, the candidate must register for and attend the ICSPA CGD workshop, pass the ICSPA CGD exam, complete a separate application to AEE. Certification awarded after the CGD board's evaluation of the candidate's qualifications. The ground source heat pump system introduction. Some topics: load to source efficiencies, gas electric HVAC system, air source heat pump, ground source heat pump, advanced ground source heat pump, installation guide, average air temperatures, system configurations, heat pump operation, cooling and heating, antifreeze solutions, who's involved. Economics, marketing and demand reduction, load to source efficiencies, gas electric HVAC system, ground source heat pump, benefits to owner, retrofit example, benefits to HVAC contractor, benefits to utility. Selecting, sizing, and designing the heat pump system. Geothermal system, design procedures, building load, the ACCA Manual J. Building, heating, and cooling load profile. Heat pump terminology. Heat pump sizing. Design and selection of a ground heat exchanger. Heat exchanger design menu, 2-pipe horizontal ground heat exchanger, horizontal 4-pipe system, vertical series heat exchanger, slinky, lake, pond heat exchangers. Design and selection of a ground heat exchanger, pond coil with spacers, series and parallel systems, pipe joining methods, butt, saddle, and socket heat fusion, electrofusion, prefabricated U-bend, mean temperature variations. Design and selection of a ground heat exchanger. Earth temperature variations, heat pump terminology, heating length formula, pipe resistance, soil resistance, heating and cooling length calculations, pressure drop equations, rules of thumb. Commercial size systems. Design process, integrated system, GHP systems types, hybrid ground source heat pump systems, water source heat pumps, on-site drilling, loops, header, and trench. Commercial size systems, prefabricated header vaults, building equipment room, borehole thermal testing, in situ test system schematics, GLHEPRO software, long-term thermal effects, GLGS software, ground field layout, headers and field layout, header pipe design, water source heat pump installation, designing buried pipe systems, debris flushing and air removal, spaced header with reverse return, ground field layout, system EER calculation, 10-ton header, 3-row modular extended manifold, bore field with manifold vault, recommended guidelines, piping systems, header loss recommendations for header pipe systems. Thermal conductivity, soils and rock, radial heat transfer, thermal conductivity K, salient causes for variations in thermal conductivity, soil and rock ID, visual observations, test of drill cuttings, geotechnical estimate from well log, benefits of performing in-situ TC test, comparison thermal conductivity values. Grouting for vertical GHP systems, design and procedures, grouting process, importance of grouting, how much of borehole to grout, backfilling versus grouting, drilling mud in borehole, pressure trimmer method, bentonite grout, thermally enhanced grout. Grouting for vertical GHP systems, cement grouts, borehole thermal resistance, grout shape factor, total borehole resistance, grout performance, grout equipment and procedures, grouting boreholes. Life cycle cost. Commercial life cycle cost analysis, variable initial cost, replacement, cost of fuels comparing equivalent energy, energy cost, typical natural gas billing, OM&R cost, salvage value, cost of money, life cycle cost, federal government LCC software, financial cost, real estate structural savings, conventional GHP system, annual maintenance cost, life cycle costing publications, other building life cycle cost resources. Sample design, system design, building general information, floor plan, room information, people information, annual load schedule, daily load schedule, annual results, Certified GeoExchange Designer CGD Training, registration information. After you register, a confirmation letter, hotel listings, an agenda, and a necessary course supplies list will be sent to you. If you pay when you register, you will also be sent a reading list and your manuals. Certified GeoExchange Designer course brochure and registration form can be found at the following URL address: For additional information on ground source heat pumps, go to http://www.igshpa.okstate.edu.